Good afternoon. We've had an update to our drought monitor today, and our conditions have shown some signs of improvement. That's great to see. That's the good news. The bad news is, well, we're still in a drought, and we are still seeing many areas in those higher categories, from severe to extreme to exceptional drought. It takes a long time and a lot of rain to work our way out of one, but it's nice to be on the upward swing here and seeing some places improve. So I'm going to step over to the weather wall so we can take a better look at our map and compare to last week. So you can see lots of areas in bright red here indicating extreme drought. Watch what it was at last week here in the heart of the Red River Valley. We were in the red there, so we moved up a class between Grand Forks and Fargo and improved there. Also in the Southern Valley, south down toward the South Dakota line, not much has changed, but down into places like Roberts County, we saw some improvement. This was last week. Again, we're going to go back to our current drought conditions. We've had the drought lifted in some of those areas after some rain. So again, in parts of the valley, we've had improvement, but still looking at exceptional drought in northwest Minnesota, and many of us in the orange to that deep red color and the higher end of drought conditions. So we need more. We could use more rain here. Don't have a lot of it coming our way this afternoon. Southern Valley, lots of sunshine here on our radar and satellite map. You can see those clouds drifting in from Canada, and there are some radar returns indicating some showers or some sprinkles with that too. So I can't rule that out for our communities north of Highway 2 here this afternoon especially. And as this drops to the southeast, we'll see more of those clouds in places like Grand Forks and then drifting more into western parts of Minnesota today. We'll take a look at that coming up, but we got to talk about Mindy. It's a new tropical system formed just yesterday, made landfall along the Florida coastline in the Gulf, and has been crossing over into the Atlantic now through places like Georgia, the Savannah area. It is a tropical depression now, so no longer a storm, a tropical storm with max sustained winds at 35, and it's moving to the northeast here pretty quickly. So it's going to clear that area. And our temperatures today, well, we're a little cooler in the northeast with more clouds that have moved in, but we're really starting to warm up. We're into some low 70s in eastern North Dakota, the Southern Valley especially, starting to get into the 70s. That will continue. The wind has been very light. This morning it was. That continues this afternoon. That's a change, along with the wind direction, more out of the south or southeast, and wind speeds less than 10 miles per hour. We'll keep that going into the evening hours. So it's been a quiet morning heading into the afternoon. We'll see those temperatures back into that, I would say, upper 70-degree range in the southwest to around 70 up by Lake of the Woods. Again, that's a place that's going to see a few more clouds as the afternoon goes along, and the potential for a sprinkle. Heading into tonight, we will eventually see some of these clouds clear. We'll have temperatures back into some 60s to some low 70s. Not bad around the 7 o'clock hour. 9 o'clock, once we lose that sun, temperatures start to drop. But here's the difference maker. We see that wind out of the southeast. It picks up overnight, so we're looking at some gusts into the 20s by tomorrow morning. That keeps that air moving. It keeps it from cooling down, and it's bringing in air out of a warmer area. So temperatures tomorrow morning, not nearly as cool. We'll be more into the 50s to start off your Friday morning. Afternoon, check this out. 80s make a return here for us tomorrow afternoon. Low 80s to the east and some mid, maybe upper 80s out to the west. We'll have a few more clouds rolling in for the afternoon hours, but your Friday definitely looking and feeling more like summertime. I can't rule out a shower, a sprinkle, maybe even a rumble of thunder up along the Canadian border for tomorrow night. But beyond that, we are looking pretty quiet into the weekend and much cooler as well, only at 70 on Sunday. Our next organized chance for rain will likely be coming up on Monday.
Lisa, weather feels nice. I was telling our photographer this morning, I miss kind of the sun being out there.
Well, it's out now. We've got beautiful sunny skies here today.
Let's enjoy that. Thanks, Lisa.